Dave, and you're watching Quarantine Science Lab with Derek, Marie, put your safety glasses on, please.
And Mama in the background. Yeah. Put your safety glasses on. Wait a sec, am I the smartest person here? Because I had
So here's what we're doing tonight. Here's zinc plated. We're going to take them out of there. We're going to put them in a water solution that's pH controlled. Derek is going to make sure that it doesn't get alkaline. When it turns pink, he knows to put a few drops of vinegar in there to acidify it a little bit and keep it neutral. And then we're going to take them out of there once they've been in there for a couple minutes, and we are going to use a torch to heat them up to melt the zinc plating into the copper and make brass pennies. If anyone is concerned that there was a penny shortage and that we are destroying U.S. currency that was in short supply and that that's illegal, it's illegal to destroy U.S. currency, but we're not destroying it because we are actually adding value to it, and that's not illegal. So if you were to do something with money that makes it go away, like if you were to burn it and melt it down and throw it in the garbage, that would be illegal, okay? Or if you were to cut them in half or grind them down into powder, that would be illegal because it's public property. But the law says that we are allowed to enhance the value of it, for example, by making it into jewelry or something like that. That's not illegal, just in case anyone maybe was concerned. So, are we all set? Are we ready to go? You can put this aside for now. All right, this is the part that Daddy's going to do. We're going to make a very strong solution.
Is that going to explode?
No, it's not going to explode. Nothing's going to explode, hopefully.
No, I want it to explode. Okay.
So I'm going to put a little bit extra in there because we want a really strong solution of sodium hydroxide. Thanks. Yeah, that's going to be nice and strong. Can you open up that, Derek, and without spilling zinc powder?
I'll try.
We're going to use this again later on.
Thank you.
Here, thanks. Now this is zinc powder, elemental zinc, and once we put it into the...
Whoever watches this goes here and uses this experiment
Does, yeah. They have to wear safety equipment, right?
And this jacket.
And the jacket, really?
Yeah. It's a coat.
Alright, so there's our zinc powder in the sodium hydroxide solution.
AKA mothballs.
No, that's not mothballs.
They look like mothballs.
No, that's mothballs are something very different from this.
They look like giant
Now,
gray hair.
it's going to take a few of our best pennies. Let's start with these three. We'll do a pass of 3 of these. Take a good look at what they look like. They're shiny and clean, but they're kind of reddish copper. They're pennies. You all know what pennies look like. And they're just regular pennies, okay? And we're going to put them in here. Move them around a bit. It only takes like a minute or two for them to get... I'm pretty confident because I tried this the other day. So let's start doing more here. And it doesn't hurt them to be in there. Let's put a whole bunch in there. And, well, we'll put 4 more in there. And, we're almost to the point where we have some pennies that are now zinc plated. And what I'm going to do is use...
Oh, flowering pink.
That's water, honey.
Yeah, water.
Come on, Derek. Keep it from getting pink. Move it around, and that's your job. You wanna.
Mommy, will you touch the experiment?
Are you allowed to touch the experiment?
No.
Huh? Certainly not. You are not. Pinky's not
Okay.
allowed.
Why do
Okay.
we want the pink of the
Because
here?
when it's pink, that means it's
Got
alkaline.
yeah,
We
alkaline.
want to get rid of the alkalinity here. That's the purpose of this bath, is to get rid of the alkalinity. So now we have Pennies.
What is he?
He's not very he's not very zinc plated.
No, it's
He's
good.
partially zinc plated, but not completely.
To the point of destruction.
You see other better ones in there that are more zinc plated?
I don't know.
Ah, this one's pretty good.
Let me see.
So let's try this one here. Is that pretty zinc plated?
Looks good.
Like, it's like 80%, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's try this.
I want the experiment.
What you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
We're going to torch it.
No, don't hurt him.
No, don't.
I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. I'm not scared of
Oh
fire.
my god.
Jack, I'm not scared of fire.
He big chungus boy. Dad a big chungus boy. Dad big chungus. Okay, can I step away? Cause I'm scared.
There it is. See that change color? Do you see how it changed color?
I didn't see the penny. I saw the wood.
Me
I
too.
couldn't see it. Got some like right next to my mouth.
It's just water, Derek.
It scared me.
Whoa.
Look at that nice ember.
It's become brassified. It was copper, and now it's brass. Okay. Oh,
So now we're gonna do that several more times.
These I would like to put back
Okay,
and get them more coated with zinc.
can I use these like these?
Yeah, isn't there a third penny in here?
No, I already put that.
Yeah, this is the
Oh, I already put it back?
Just to make sure. Oh,
Mhm.
yep, there's a little on
Good
there.
job, bud. Good job. That was good. Wave it around in there so you neutralize any alkaline that's on there. Put it in there and wave it around. There. Yeah, there you go. See, there was still some on there. Okay?
That's all.
Alright, now what do you want to do with that?
Why put it there?
Maybe we could,
It's okay, it's not a big deal.
could we
What do you want to do?
wrap it out?
Yeah, you can try. It's really hard.
Oh, dun dun dun. Oh wow, that actually looks really hard.
Okay?
Can I do it?
You'd be easier using that spoon.
Ooh, spoony.
Mhm.
Dun dun dun. Come on, it's all gigantified. Oh, I got it. Oh, come on, it's like a video game, like a claw machine. Come on. Mommy, will you aid me? Oh, come on. Oh, come
We're
on.
gonna Pokemon. It's Pokemon.
Oh, get it.
There's gotta be
Yeah.
an easier way to get these out of here than
Let's
this.
try that.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yeah? Does that look good?
You can have it. It's brass. Looks like silver.
Okay, I can't eat it. I
I know, you can't eat it.
We're not putting anything in our mouth when we're in our science lab, right?
Besides
Marie?
hamburgers.
We don't put stuff in our mouth, right?
When we're doing an experiment, can we eat hamburgers? We
Cheeseburgers.
cheap
Cheeseburgers.
hamburger.
Did you get that from Roblox or me?
No, this one would have been you.
From you.
Hamburger.
Okay, yeah, but I don't remember that.
Alright. Focus on what we're doing here,
I
okay?
remember my names.
Let's not lose focus, okay? Derek?
Oh, okay, time to...
Get a red pink.
No, Derek, that spoon doesn't go in there.
Why?
Oh yeah, it does. I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Okay, sorry, that's not funny. Oh my god, you're making too much.
This was a good idea to put that indicator in the bath, right? And you with a dropper with acid to keep neutralizing it. You're doing a good job, bud.
Did you do a big brain move or did I?
What?
Did you do a big brain move or did I?
You're doing it. You learned it real quick. You probably are going to see some zinc powder building up there in the bottom of that thing.
Yep.
Now let me rinse my hand in there.
Oh my god, you're making it
Put some more
flour.
vinegar in there. Come on. Okay. It's stained my gloves, but this is
Oh,
pH
geez.
balanced. But it
Look at that
now my
glass.
gloves are nice and clean. So that indicates that there's no sodium hydroxide. No more.
Okay.
Because you could damage the coins if you do that.
We got more
Let's-
corn?
Yeah, let's do a few more here.
Wait, what if we dump all of them?
No, it's gonna see it. It's gonna weaken the.
Can we dump like a whole stack of it?
Let's do another one. You ready, Marie? We're gonna do. No, we don't have enough space to do that.
Then get a bigger plate.
Now we're gonna do another couple more of these. Dry them off helps me do it faster because when they're wet, they don't heat up as much.
Mommy is on her cell phone.
As usual.
It's even experiment.
Okay.
Yeah, look. This is fun. Maybe I should.
Told you it was gonna be fun.
No, I was talking. Mom would be like, "This is fun. I'm gonna do something else fun in the meantime."
Okay, ready? Can you see over there? Can you see from over there?
You good? Ooh, scaly.
Who's dropping pennies?
I didn't drop nothing.
It doesn't really matter. It's not a big deal. So.
All right, scaly flames.
No, they're not scared. And then get out of the experiment.
You don't want to continue, Marie?
I'm tired.
You tired?
I was about,
Okay, go to bed.
All
I
right.
was about to go to sleep.
All right, check it out.
When I
Watch this. You ready?
oh, you just made a
See it change color?
I saw it.
Watch this one now, Marie. Watch it
That's
change
so
color.
satisfying.
Isn't it satisfying? See it change color? You see that, Marie?
That's so satisfying.
Isn't that beautiful how they change color like that?
Yeah.
Found the fallen penny. I'm gonna pick it up.
Put it in your pocket. Don't put it back on the table.
I don't think this is one silver.
Yeah, don't put it's dirty or it's not the one we want. It's not part of our experiment
My
now.
pocket? Okay.
Go ahead. Look
Blah,
out.
blah, 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 blah.
Good chef.
You're chef. You're my chefy dad.
Ooh, I heard that simmer. Using Wingardium Leviosa. It's actually Leviosa, Mr. Biden.
Oof, oof. Hamburger, hamburger.
You think you can get those out of there and dry them off?
Yeah,
With a
no
spoon?
problem.
Okay.
No problem. Right there. Yeah, I don't think so now.
Maybe if you use a regular spoon. She dropped her water. Can you go grab a regular spoon and try and get them out?
Okay.
You can start drying them off, okay?
I don't want to be the experiment now.
Alright, go to sleep, sweetie.
Goodbye.
Go on up to bed.
I'm going to die.
I'm the god with the spoon.
Marie,
With the
did
magic
you like what we
spoon.
did? Did you like our pennies? Marie?
Miss Custom. Move them around a little. We'll spread them out
You
too.
don't need to do that. Well, it's only there to cool down. They're cold.
Take that out. Are you kidding me?
No.
Get out of here.
It is not easy. Stand back. You
I'm
don't need
seeing
to be right on
zinc
top of it.
deposit, I think.
That's okay, but you don't need to be right on top of it. Because I don't want you to get splashed with any dangerous chemicals. You and Marie did really well here tonight.
Oh wow, that's a big
that's
that's the mothership of all.
That's
the mother of all this stuff. Oh my god.
Good job, bud. You're doing good.
You're kidding me, right?
Clean that up with vinegar. Yep, yep, come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Perfect.
I'm starting to smell
Good job.
stuff.
What do you smell? Vinegar?
I think so.
Alright, do you know what vinegar smells like?
Nope.
You should learn. Take a little whiff of the Alright, so we have some here that are partially treated. Alright, and then some here that are only plated with zinc, so they're over here. What we're going to do is first we're going to start over here and we'll see them change color. Alright, so you've been watching Quarantine Science Lab, where we've been making brass pennies. So thanks for tuning in. My kids already went to sleep, otherwise they would say goodnight to you. Have a great weekend and stay safe. Don't get sick. We'll see you soon.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'm never gonna see you
I
again.
bet you people watching wouldn't understand how you're in any way. They probably would blame me for exposing you to Simon and Garfunkel, but it actually has nothing to do with me. It's actually from you watching memes.
You dare challenge me, your mortal?
The
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Everybody knows
the sound of silence is actually used in a lot of memes.
Y'all.
I've created this bath with indicator solution in it, phenolphthalein indicator, and the point of that is to, as I dump coins in there, my son was doing a really good job of taking some acid, some vinegar, and putting it in to neutralize any of the sodium hydroxide that might have splashed in there when we transfer these things. So here's another example I'll show you. So that bath is just to remove any of the sodium hydroxide. So when I put a coin in there, the bath turns very pink, but as I move it around, the pink goes away because it's neutralized by acid molecules in there, and now it's got the same pH as just regular water. Okay, so now I didn't have to worry about my kids touching it or reaching in and grabbing a coin into a solution that might harm them. Of course, they're really good about, I'm really proud of my kids. They're really good about handling delicate things, not touching things they're not supposed to touch, not tripping over cables. I don't let them handle dangerous chemicals, but they're able to be around dangerous chemicals without doing anything crazy or and there's nothing really terribly dangerous on this table, and we have a cup of vinegar and a quantity of baking soda and a large jug of vinegar below as a safety precaution. If any sodium hydroxide solution were to splash anywhere on them, we would hit that with vinegar. Anything else we might hit with baking soda and water to neutralize. And everything here happened nice and neat, and everything worked out great as far as the chemicals went.